Good morning students. Today we are here with our worksheet number 36 from Directorate of Education, subject Science, class 9. Students, today we here discuss about the third equation of motion by graphical method. Gyan asked, Jigyasa Di, how do we deduce the third equation of motion v square minus u square equals to 2as by graphical method? So student, let's learn how we relate with the graph. Gyan, we know whenever any object moves along a straight line with a uniform acceleration, it covers a definite distance in a particular time interval. It means the third equation gives the relation between initial velocity and final velocity. Let's deduce it, student. Graph is same for three equations. You have to familiar with the graph. Once I again told you, this is your initial speed, this is your time taken, and this is your final velocity. Okay students, what is the shape? Shape is trapezium. We have to calculate the area of trapezium. What is the area of trapezium, students? Half into sum of the parallel sides into height. So which are the parallel sides here, student? This side is parallel to this one. So sum of the parallel side OA plus BC into height. And which is the height here, student? This is the height, that is T. We put the value here in the formula. We get S equals to U plus V into T upon 2. So we also put the value of T here by the first equation of motion. What is the first equation of motion, student? That is V equals to U plus AT. So from here we put the value of T in our given formula and we get this third one, equation of motion. Now move to the next example, students. A car is moving with a velocity of 12 meters per second. It means U is equal to 12 and it stop. It means V equals to 0. A is deceleration, means acceleration is decreasing, that is minus 6, and time is given 2 seconds. So you have to put all the values in the third equation of motion and get distance is 12 meter. Question number 1. Write the first and the third equation of motion. I think it is very familiar with you and it is very simple answer. You have to write here only two equations. First is given here and third is given here. Okay students. Second question, derive the third equation from the graph. So you have to draw this graph and also solve this third equation. Third question, student, it is a numerical. A car start moving from the rest. It means U equals to 0. V is given to you 10. Time is 5 minutes. We have to convert in second. 5 minutes have 300 seconds. Acceleration is constant and we have to find the value of acceleration and the distance. So let's solve it, student. Car is at rest initially, so U is 0 and finally it attained the speed of 10 meter per second. V is 10. Time is given here 5 minutes. We have to convert into second and we have to calculate, student, acceleration and distance. Acceleration, that is according to first equation. First equation is V equals to U plus AT. From here we get the formula of acceleration, that is V minus U upon T. In that equation we put all the credentials and we got the value of acceleration. And student, we also have to calculate the distance. So we use the third equation of motion and put all the values and get the distance 1500 meter. I think by this first and third equation you can easily found the value of the acceleration and distance. It is very easy, students. So it is this question of all the three equation of motion by the graphical method is very important from the exam point of view. You have to learn it by continuous practice And student, if you like today's worksheet, then please like our channel Learning Light, share with your friend circle and subscribe it to get the each and every notification of the worksheet and scientific aspects on the time. Thank you.